Welcome on the channel. Who told something about white Christmas? It's not looks white. Anyway, I have one here and empty hole. And I wanna connect second, but because in majority, like in sevels also, this is only DC after the key ignition, so engine have to running or ignition key have to be switched on to get the power. But it's okay, but sometimes we need this power when the engine not running, just to, let's say, I don't know, connect the sat nav, something like that. I wanna fit here and fit here second cigarette lighter and connect it to the fixed power. Of course, we have few choices how to connect it, but I do wanna do it in simplest way. So what we need, just like a socket, is taken from the back of the van. If not, we can buy anything different. This plug, this is taken from the back of the van also, but of course we can just chop the second branch of the front lighter, because it should be two of them. If we don't want, we can use the small connectors or even solder, but I think solder will be bit of problem just because of access here. So let's try check where's the minus, where's the plus. Strange, the plus is here, okay, and ground is here. I don't know for what is this, but this is like that. What we need more? Definitely we need like a something like a fuse with fuse holder, and this is not the best. The best will be in line, so it's easier to protect from disengaging. So if I want to do this, probably I will just solder these blades. So this is the must. Okay. And this we have to, I don't know for which it's not connected, but for a case we insulate it. And I wanna do it in the simplest way. It means I wanna connect it straight to the battery. Of course we can talk about this. To tell the truth, this is simplest way, and simplest way usually is the safest way, because we don't have to messing with fuses in the fuse boxes. It means touching these wires, we just, and especially because it's quite close, we go straight to the battery, to negative and positive of the battery. Plus of course we use fuse as a must. Check it out. Check it out. Right now, better. Okay, so right now here, behind this plastic and under the vinyl on the floor. Opposite. So top are ready. So this is this with fixed power. Okay, I don't have different have to be like that, and I have to connect on the bottom.
right now.
Okay, so thank you for watching. It was just simple short project which I need in right now. Of course I wanna mark it, so this is like a fixed power. This is my idea how to do it fast and simply. Of course, if you have different idea, just tell me about it. I think it's quite safe. With short link between battery terminal and fuse, nothing can happen. I fit here only 10 amp fuse, can be probably 7.5 because it will be only for chargers. Only for charger. So right now we have connected negative to negative, positive to positive, and of course after connection we fit the fuse, not before, after, just to be on the safer side. And maybe we have to make it a bit some nicer. Okay, the most important is this connector between battery and fuse have to be short. You know, as the best will be such a fuse holder. I don't have more and I wanna fit it today, so I use this. Maybe in future I replace it, and it should be okay. like I said earlier, if you have single insulated wire, it should be in a car packs or sleeve or conduit, anything. Right now it's a double insulation. To tell the truth, I will take it out on the spring just to insulate the floor. So in this moment these wires will be done again.